I am Dr. Krishna Kumar.
Now we are going to discuss about introduction to organizational behavior. First of all, meaning and definition of organizational behavior. Organizational behavior is concerned with the study of human behavior at work. It is a study of how people as individuals and as a group behave or act in an organization. According to Stephen P. Robinson, organizational behavior is a systematic study of the actions and attitudes that people exhibit with organization. Elements of organizational behavior. It is an investigative study of the individuals and groups. Impact of organizational structure on human behavior. Application of knowledge to achieve organization effectiveness. Historical evaluation of organizational behavior. Formal study of organization behavior began in 1890 and 90s following Industrial Revolution movement. In 1890s, F.W. Taylor identified the positive effect of previous instructions, goal setting and reward or motivation. These ideas become scientific management, considered as the beginning of formal study of organization behavior. Scientific management. Scientific management is based on the belief that productive is maximized when organizations are rationalized with practices sets of instructions based on time and motion. F.W. Taylor is often called as father of scientific management. 4 principles of scientific management are: first one is studying task using time and motion study. Point number 2, scientifically select, train and develop workers. Point number 3, managers provide detailed instruction. Point number 4, divide work between workers and managers. Then human resource movement. Failure of scientific management gave birth to HR movement. Characteristics by heavy emphasis on workers, cooperations and morale. People are treated as human beings and not machines, giving more importance to their needs and problems. 3 reasons contribute to a recognition of human factor in an organization are: Great Depression of 1929, Hawthorne experiments, labor movements. Great Depression. Crash of American market led to worldwide depression, unemployment, collapse of economy. It was realized that production alone is not management function, but marketing, finance and human resources are required for survival of business. Aftermath, human problems, role of personnel department and human relations got direct, indirect significance. Labor movement. Continuous exploitations made workers to realize their protections lies in their own hands. Formulated labor union that had desired effect on management. Working hours conditions and wage policies. Union incorporated human relations in organization. Hawthorne experiments effect. Series of experiments that came to be known as Hawthorne studies were conducted on Western Electrical Plant worker in Hawthorne. This effect occurs when people improve same aspects of their behavior or performance simply because of they know that they are being assessed. Hawthorne experiments. Research involved the following study. Illumination experiments 1924-27. Light decreases of experimental group and kept instant for others. Protective increased in same rate. Next, workers work harder when watched. Relay assembly test room experiments 1927-28. Worker segregated on the basis of a definite range of working condition variables such as workroom, temperature, work schedule, work break, etc. Recorded the time taken by employees to collect telephone relay. Productivity increased irrespective of how factors manipulated. Experiments in interviewing workers in 1928. Directly interviewed workers to find out what is important to them in their opinion. Workers were allowed to open up to talk freely about what is most important and what are at times problematic issues in their minds. Led to the informal organization and its relationship to the formal organization. Led to a rich understanding of the social interpersonal dynamics of people at work. Backwriting room experiment. This experiment confirmed the effect of the power of peer group and the importance of group influence on workers' behavior and productivity. The higher the norms of their greater the productivity and vice versa. Conclusion. The history of organization behavior begins with the work of F.W. Taylor when he developed scientific management and encompassed the studies with Hawthorne studies.
Thank you.